Hi, I'm Oostvogel. I work for NAD Electronics as product manager for all our nice products. And it's great to be here in Singapore to present you this NAD 3050 LE, a brand new old amplifier, if you like. We are celebrating our 50th year. We were founded in 1972, so 50 years ago, and we decided to celebrate that with a special edition amplifier, and this is it. This amplifier, as you can see, looks thoroughly like it stems from the 1970s, but it is a thoroughly modern amplifier, and we've chosen the 3030 as the original to base it on. And why did we do that? Because it was the first amplifier to have the NAD logo, the square logo, and it was also still carrying the curly letters NAD acoustic dimension as well. So from that point of view, and with the grey color, it seemed like the perfect amplifier to base a heritage product on. And of course the 3030 in its day was a great sounding amplifier as well. So what is different? Well, this is a thoroughly modern amplifier. You get 2 by 100 watts of power, which is about 3 times as much as the original, and that is courtesy of the UCD amplification that is built in, that you will find in other NAD amplifiers as well. So very low distortion, completely load invariant, and utterly stable, and sounds very good, of course, which is the whole point. It has a couple of really nice old-fashioned features, if you like. On the back you will find pre-out and main in, but on this amplifier you'll also find a phono button, a phono input stage. However, what you wouldn't find on the original, of course, is the HDMI input on the other side, this one here. So this is a full HDMI eARC input, so you can easily combine it with your television. That's not the only thing. The amplifier also supports MDC, and in this case MDC2, which means this amplifier is now factory fitted with the MDC2 BlueOS D module. That means if you unpack it, you can immediately start streaming using the BlueOS app with Tidal or with Qobuz or with any of the big streaming names and high resolution ones to your heart's content. On top of that, it will also do DIRAC, so it comes packed with a microphone, it comes packed with the little USB dongle, so you can do your own measurements in your own room, and you have a hell of a good sounding system. So with all that, it may look 70s, but it's really an amplifier of this day and age. There's another twist to this whole story. NAD was founded in 1972. And that's also why we're only building 1972 pieces. No more, no less. It's really a special sort of item, and each of these amplifiers will come with a plaque on the back stating which it is, like number 32 out of 1972. It will also come with a certificate with the amplifier, which will state that this is that own single unique amplifier. It will be available from November onwards, but as you can imagine, as we're only doing 1972, you need to be very early if you want to obtain one. If it doesn't work well, then don't fret, because later on, but that will be a couple of months later, we'll be coming out with the NAD 3050 without the LE. It is the same amplifier, but there's small differences. The non-LE version will not have the MDC2 BlueOS D module fitted as standard. It becomes an option. So if you really want an amplifier that doesn't have all these modern traits, then you don't need to buy the module. And if you do, you can buy the module and it will be exactly the same as a 3050 LE. Now there's also going to be a visual difference, because the 3050 LE is fitted with a really nice real wood veneer cover top. The non-LE version that we're going to be bringing out later will have a normal metal cover, but that is actually one of these vinyl covered ones with a wood print, like you would see on many amplifiers of that era as well. So we think that this is going to be a really nice amplifier. The only concession that you can see that we had to do is that we had to introduce a couple of LEDs so you know where you are with regards to the volume control when you turn it up or down. So you know how loud it is, and of course that you know which input has been selected. Other than that, it is really what the 3030 original was. And with that, I hope you will be able to enjoy this amplifier at your dealer somewhere close by soon.